just entered this area where there's a huge abandoned Stasi hotel from the Soviet times.
Okay, so it seems like well, this is the first building, and this might actually have been some like garages where they have parked their private cars when going to the hotel, maybe. Yeah, not too much in here. It seems pretty empty. But over here we got the like main building, and the hotel is like in the background. And we'll do not expect it to be like furnished or anything, because it didn't finish, as there's some traps. So yeah, let's start with this part here. I don't know if it's a branch or if it's more like something, maybe not the hotel part, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, it definitely does. Yeah, maybe it's like where they came with all the goods for the hotel, like drove in and they could take the... Oh yes, wow, so this is... So now we're like into the hotel, so it's one building. Yeah, this is definitely the elevator shaft.
Why do they have a staircase for like nothing?
Yeah, maybe it was during the construction they needed something, I don't know. But this might have been like supposed to be a grand hall, maybe, with some restaurant maybe, and over here looks like it's even a pool. Yeah, so you could imagine this was like supposed to be the pool, and you could probably sit on some chairs around it.
Don't fall into still water.
No, it's still water, yeah. Don't do that.
The most dangerous thing in the world.
Wow. Yeah, this reminds me a whole lot of like these dictator homes, mansions, where they got this outdoor like a park area within the building's structure. It's quite cool. It reminds me a lot about the mansions we found in Bulgaria. Now let's try to head upstairs, and then we can explore the rest of the building later. But the stairs seems to never have been finished, or maybe someone stole the metal, I don't know. So it's a little bit tricky. Oh. The only thing I'm kind of thinking about is where the rooms were supposed to be. Maybe it's in that part, because this is a quite big hall as well. Well, let's... I want to see who those people are who are walking around this area. So, definitely a massive place. I can't even imagine what they would use all this room for. Maybe they will split it up also.
They had something here.
Yeah, planned here. Maybe there's some sort of kitchen, maybe.
Like water pipes or toilet.
Yeah.
Something.
Maybe.
Not the toilet, probably, but some water pipes.
It's an interesting place to spend an afternoon with your family. It's a bit weird. Well, shall we head to the roof? Trevejen. That's quite cool open area. Only less half you sure is on the middle. So it's easy to slip here. It seems like it's meant to. You're meant to go up here. Maybe this is like the roof part, and I would imagine that over here that would be like a rooftop restaurant or a dining area within these fences. And it's nice to have a roof that's really like sturdy with concrete. Okay, so we're just gonna send the drone up because we want to get an overview of this Stasi hotel. Okay, and up we go.
Stinker hash. So now we're gonna go into the apartments place, or the place where the hotel room was. And it stinks like hash in here, cannabis. So and there was an elevator there and some stairs. Yeah, so you see these windows were actually Swedish thermal windows, which was quite impressive, given that it was a closed economy. It was pretty closed off the German economy in Eastern Germany, so they actually imported these, which were really expensive, so it were top of the line luxury. Yeah, there were some guys smoking weed in there. Oh, it's definitely not meant for you to go up this. It's probably much the same as the other floor. Elevator, which is pretty cool, but they never put it in, it looks like. Or they removed it. Yeah, let's just head to the top. See what we can find up there. Yeah, it's the same. So this was the top floor. This was the elevator room. Had the cables for the elevator. Not much to see here, but it's still a crazy history behind it. Ja, super.
Ja. So a woman was just sitting and pissed down there. She didn't know we were on the roof. Yeah, we need to get to the very top, obviously.